Now the next problem is 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 up to so on is 1 by 2187. Now here what is the 1 by 2187th term? That is our to asked. So now here if here we observed that nth term an is equal to a into r power n minus 1. So we have to find the a and r. So a is nothing but the first term. So a1 is equal to a equal to 1 by 3 and the given second term a2 equal to 1 by 9 and the nth term an is equal to 1 by 2187. Now we have to find a nth term purpose. We need common ratio r. Common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1. The second term is 1 by 9 and the first term is 1 by 3. Now 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. So the denominator is in fractional form. So they are reciprocal to multiplication doing. 1 by 9 into 3 by 1. So 3 ones 3 threes, that is nothing but the common ratio is 1 by 3. Now our to given the nth term an is equal to a into r power n minus 1, that equal to 1 by 2187. Now a is equal to 1 by 3 into r value is 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2187. Now 1 by 3 is nothing but 1 by 3 power 1. So a power m into a power n is nothing but a power m plus n. So 1 by 3 whole power 1 plus n minus 1. So 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, that is 1 by 3 whole power n. So 1 by 3 whole power n equal to, now here 1 by 2187 there. Now this 2187 is expressed as 3 exponent. So that one finding. So factorization of 2187 doing. So 3 7s, 3 2s, 6 2 remaining 27, 3 9s 27. Now 729. Now again it will become in 3 table. 3 2s, 3 4s and 3 3s 243 and 3 81s 243 and 3 27s 81 and 3 9s 27 and 3 3s 9. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 times 3 multiplied we get 2187. That means we can write 1 by 3 power 7. So 1 by 3 power 7 means 1 power 7 is doing, we get 1 only. That means we writing this one as 1 by 3 whole power 7. So a power m by b power m is nothing but a by b whole power m. So now here observed both to the bases are same. So if the bases are same, then the exponents are equal to same. Therefore n equal to 7. So that 7 means the seventh term of this geometric progression is 1 by 2117. Therefore seventh term of 1 by 3, 1 by 9 and so on geometric progression is 1 by 2187. Now here our to given the next problem 2 root 2 4 and so on. In this which term is 128 given. So now first we in that series to first term second term writing. The first term a1 is equal to a equal to 2 and the second term a2 equal to 2 root 2 and 128 is given as nth term an, that is 128 given. Now the common ratio r finding. So r is equal to a2 by a1, that is nothing but 2 root 2 second term by first term is 2. Now 2 root 2 by 2, so 2 gets cancelled. That means we get the common ratio as root 2. Now the nth term an is equal to 128 given. So the nth term an is equal to a into r power n minus 1, that is 128 given. Now a equal to the first term 2 and r is common ratio, that is root 2 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 128. Now this multiplication 2 is transferring to RHS, that is division. So root 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 128 by 2. 128 by 2 is nothing but 64. Now here that LHS, if we observe root 2 power n minus 1, here root 2 means it is nothing but in that exponent form 2 power 1 by 2. So 2 power 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1, a power m whole power n equal to a power m into n, that means 2 power 1 by 2 into n minus 1, that is equal to 2 power n minus 1 by 2 is equal to, now 64 can be expressed as 2 power. So 64 is 2 32s 64 and 2 16s 32, 2 8s 16 and 2 4s 8 and 2 2s 4. So now 2 can be 64 can be expressed as 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 times 2 multiplication, that is nothing but 2 power 6. Now here if we observe 2 power n minus 1 by 2 and 2 power 6 to both two bases are equal, then the exponents are also equal, that means n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. Now the denominator 2 is transferring to RHS, that is the product doing. So n minus 1 is equal to 6 into 2, that is nothing but 6 2 ja 12. Now the minus 1 LHS transfers to RHS, that is multiplication doing. So n equal to 12 plus 1, 12 plus 1 is nothing but 13. So now the 13th term of this geometric progression is 128. 13th term of root 2 to root 2s and so on is 128. Find the 12th term of a geometric progression whose 8th term is 192 and common ratio 2. So in the geometric progression 8th term is 192 given and the common ratio 2 given. So in a GP geometric progression, given common ratio R is equal to 2 and the 8th term A8 is given as 192. So the 8th term A8 can be expressed as by the general form a into r power n minus 1, that is nothing but r power 7 is equal to 192. So here r common ratio is 2 we know, but the first term a value we don't know. So a into 2 power 7 is equal to 192. The 2 power 7 is nothing but 128. So a into 128 is equal to 192. Now this multiplication 198 is transferring to RHS, that is division. So a is equal to 192 by 128. Now 64 3s 192, 64 2s 128. So that is nothing but 3 by 2. So the first term of this geometric progression is 3 by 2. But our to ask to find the 12th term of this geometric progression. So 12th term of this geometric progression is A12. A12 is nothing but A into r power 11. So here A is 3 by 2 and r is the common ratio is 2 power 11. Now here 2 is nothing but 2 power 1. So 2 power 11 by 2 power 1, that is in the form of a power m by a power n, that is nothing but a power n minus m minus n. So 3 into 2 power 11 minus 1, that is nothing but 3 power 10. So 2 power 3 into 2 power 10. So 2 power 10 is 1024. So 3 into 1024 is 3072. So the 12th term of this geometric progression is 3072. In a geometric progression, the third term is 24 and the sixth term is 192. Find the 10th term asked. So here the given one, in a geometric progression, the third term a3 is equal to 24. a3 is nothing but a into r power 2 is equal to 24 given. Now the sixth term a6 is equal to 192 given. So a6 is nothing but a into r power 5, that is 192. So now if the first equation dividing from the second equation, now we can write a into r power 5 by a into r power 2 is equal to 192 by 24. So now here a gets cancelled in LHS, r power 5 by r power 2. So both two bases equal. So a power m by a power n, that is nothing but a power m minus n, that means r power 5 minus 2, that is nothing but r power 3. So now here 192 by 24, 192 by 24, that means we can write 24 eighths. So 8 4s 32, 8 2s 16, 16 plus 3 equal to 19. So 24 eighths 192 we can do. So now here r power 3 there, that means 8 can be expressed as exponent 3, means we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2, that is nothing but 2 power 3. So r power 3 is equal to 2 power 3. So now here the exponents are equal, so the bases are also equal, that means the common ratio r is nothing but 2. So the common ratio r equal to 2 we get. Now this r value is substituting in first or second equation, we get the first term a value. So if we substitute in that first equation, now our to given a into r power 2 is equal to 24. Now a into r value is 2. So 2 square is equal to 24. So 2 square is equal to 4. So a into 4 is equal to 24. Now a is 4 to multiplication doing. So that multiplication for transferring to RHS, that is division. So a equal to 24 by 4, that is 4 ones 4 6s 24. So the first term of this geometric progression is 6. Now our to ask to find the 10th term. So 10th term a10 is equal to a into r power n minus 1, that is nothing but a into r power 9. So a equal to 6 and r equal to 2. So 2 power 9. Now here 6 into 2 power 9 is nothing but 512. So 512 into 6, that is nothing but 3072. So the 10th term of this geometric progression is 3702. Problem given one is the fourth term of a geometric progression is 2 by 3 and the seventh term is 16 by 81. Find the geometric series that is given. So now the fourth term of a geometric progression. So in a geometric progression, fourth term a4 is equal to given as 2 by 3. a4 is nothing but a into r power 3 is equal to 2 by 3 given. Next, the seventh term a7 is equal to 16 by 81 given. So a7 is nothing but a into r power 6 is equal to 16 by 81. So these two will be taken as two equations. Now the first equation dividing from that second equation, now we can do a r power 6 by a r power 3, that is equal to 16 by 81 by 2 by 3. Now the LHS 2 simplification doing a gets cancelled. So we get r power 6 by r power 3. Now they are in the form of a power m by a power n, that is nothing but a power m minus n. That means r power 6 minus 3. R power 6 minus 3 is r power 3. So now 16 by 81 by 2 by 3 RHS 2 simplification doing. So now the denominator is in the fraction form. So we have to multiply with its reciprocal. So 16 by 81 into 3 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 eights, 3 ones, 3 27s. So the simplification form of 16 by 81 into 3 by 2 is 8 by 27. Now 8 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 and 27 can be expressed as 3 into 3 into 3. That means 2 into 2 into 2 means we can write 2 power 3. 3 into 3 into 3 is nothing but 3 power 3. So a power m by b power m, that means a by b whole power m. So we can write 2 by 3 whole power 3. So 2 by 3 whole power 3 is equal to r power 3. So here the exponents are same. So the bases are also equal. So the common ratio r is nothing but 2 by 3. Now this common ratio r value substituting in any one equation. If we substitute in that first equation, now the first equation is given as a into r power 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Now the common ratio r value is 2 by 3. So a into 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 whole cube, that is nothing but 2 cube by 3 cube, that is nothing but 8 by 27. Now here a into 8 by 27 is equal to 2 by 3. Now this multiplication 8 by 27 transfers to RHS, its reciprocal to multiplication doing. So 2 by 3 into 27 by 8. So 2 ones, 2 fours and 3 ones, 3 nines. So the first term of this AP, this geometric progression is 9 by 4. Now our to ask to find the geometric series. So the first term a1 is nothing but a equal to 9 by 4 came, and the second term a2 is equal to a1 into r, that is 9 by 4 into common ratio is 2 by 3. So 9 by 4 into 2 by 3. So 3 ones, 3 threes, 2 ones, 2 twos, that is nothing but 3 by 2. So the second term of this geometric progression is 3 by 2. Now the third term a3 is equal to a2 into r, that is second term 3 by 2 and the common ratio is 2 by 3. So 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. So that is nothing but 1. 2 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 3 ones. So we get 1. Now the fourth term a4 is equal to third term into the common ratio. Third term is 1 and the common ratio is 2 by 3. So 1 into 2 by 3 is nothing but 2 by 3. And the fifth term a5 is equal to a4 into r. The fourth term is 2 by 3 and the common ratio is also 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 is nothing but 4 by 9. So and so on the numbers we have a chance to write the terms. Therefore the geometric progression is 9 by 4, 3 by 2, 1, 2 by 3, 4 by 9 and so on. If the geometric progressions 162, 54, 18 and so on and 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 and so on have their nth term are equal, then find the value of n. So which terms of these both geometric progressions are same? That is the question here given. So now if we taken the first geometric progression, so first geometric progression is 162, 154, 18 and so on. Now for this geometric progression to find the nth term. So nth term an is equal to a into r power n minus 1. So here we need a and r. A is nothing but the first term and r is common ratio. So find the first term and common ratio. The first term a1 is equal to a equal to 162 given and the second term a2 is equal to 54 given. So finding the common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that is equal to 54 the second term by first term 162. So 54 by 162. So 54 3s 162. So the common ratio is nothing but 1 by 3 and the first term 162 we know. So the nth term an is equal to a into r power n minus 1, that is equal to a equal to 162 into r is 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. It is the nth term of the first geometric progression. Now the second geometric progression to taking. So the second geometric progression is 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 and so on. In this geometric progression, the first term a1 is equal to a equal to 2 by 81 and the second term a2 equal to 2 by 27. Now finding the common ratio r is equal to a2 by a1, that is equal to 2 by 27 by 2 by 81, the first term. So here the denominator is in fractional form, so it's reciprocal to multiplication doing the numerator too. So 2 by 27 into 81 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, 27 3s 81. So here the common ratio is of this second series is 3 and the first term is 2 by 81. Now finding the second series to the nth term an is equal to a into r power n minus 1. So here the first term a is 2 by 81 and the nth term and the r common ratio is 3. So 2 by 81 into 3 power n minus 1. Now our two given both nth terms are equal. So by the given problem, one 162 into 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 is equal to 2 by 81 into 3 power n minus 1. Now here this 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 is transferring to that side, that is nothing but 3 by 1 whole power n minus 1, and this 2 by 81 transfers to this side, that is nothing but 81 by 2. So 162 into 81 by 2 is equal to 3 power n minus 1 into 3 by 1 whole power n minus 1. Now here that RHS, if we observed, 3 by 1 is nothing but 3 only, that is 3 power n minus 1 into 3 power n minus 1. Now it is a power m into a power n is a power m plus n, that means 3 power n minus 1 plus n minus 1. So n plus n, 2n minus 1 is minus 2. So 3 power 2n minus 2. Now here, so 162 into 81 by 2 to simplification, 2 ones 2 81s 162. So 81 into 81. Now 81 can be expressed as 3 power 4. So if 81 to factorization doing, so 3 27s 81, so and 3 9s 27 and 3 3s 9, that is nothing but 3 power 4 equal to 81. So 3 power 4 into 3 power 4. So a power m into a power n is nothing but a power m plus n, that means 3 power 4 plus 4 is 8. So 3 power 8 is equal to 3 power 2n minus 2. Now here in this both, to observe the bases are equal, so the exponents are also equal. So 8 is equal to 2n minus 2. Now the RHS minus 2 is transferring to LHS, that is plus 2. 8 plus 2, that is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 2n. Now that multiplication 2 is transferring to LHS, that is nothing but division. So n is equal to 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So the fifth terms of this both series are equal. So fifth terms of both geometric progressions are equal. Now the first series to the fifth term finding, a5 is equal to a into r power 4. So the first term is 162 and the common ratio is the first series 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 whole power 4, that is nothing but 1 by 81. Already here we done. So 81 ones, 81 twos, 162. So the fifth term of the first geometric progression is 2. Now for the second series to finding the fifth term, so here also a5 is equal to a into r power 4. So here the first term is 2 by 81 and r common ratio is 3. So 3 power 4 is nothing but 81. So 81 gets cancelled. Here also we get the fifth term, so 2. So here the both geometric progressions to fifth terms 2 are equal.